Oh no, I broke the side panel glass on my expensive gaming PC. What do I do? Do I unplug everything from the case and start over? Or do I fix it? Well, I went online and I found computer mesh, a roll of computer mesh, which happens to be exactly matched to what's on top of my computer case already. So I will just follow the pattern and put magnets, 3M magnet tape around the sides and slap it on my case. Does it look good to you? Does it look bad? I do not know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this a great plan? Is this a good idea? Or is it retarded? Does it look stupid? Or does it look pretty darn good? The cooling was improved slightly, not majorly, but it certainly did not make the cooling worse, because the glass has no mesh. The glass has no way to vent. So removing the glass and smashing it in your floor and putting a mesh cover as your side panel is really maybe not a bad idea. What do you think?